Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you change country region on iPhone. By doing this you will lose access to all your existing iTunes and App Store purchase. When you change your Apple ID to a different country, anything already on your device is still available to use, and apps you've already downloaded still get the latest updates. To change country or region, all you have to do is go to Settings, tap on your profile, tap on Media and Purchase, press on View Account, tap on Country/Region. Press on Change Country or Region. Select the country that you want to change it to. After selected, read Term and Conditions, then press Agree. Tap Agree. Select None for payment method. In here enter any address for the country you have selected. If you have selected United States you can use this details. That's how you change country or region on iPhone. Now you will be able to download apps of different country or region. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.